Hi guys, welcome back to Erica Rhennae 101. And listen, today is Saturday and I'm excited to get some good food. We're going to catch the ferry over to Waterside here in Virginia, get some drinks and just have a good time, I had such a long week, was working, so today it's time to unwind and have a good time. So I'm gonna give you guys a good little clip of this outfit. I had a whole different outfit planned out, but it started raining a little bit. It's lighting up a lot and it's actually stopped. So hopefully it stays this way, but either way it was not going to stop my show. So I changed the outfit up. I have like on a black top with like some boyfriend jeans and some black and silver heels with my silver bag. So I'm gonna give you guys a good clip of the outfit and I will see you guys at the ferry. And we are heading to dinner. Look at this view, guys. Oh my gosh, and it feels so lovely. It's gonna probably rain a little bit later, but right now it's feeling good, guys. And we are in motion going over there. So we have made it to our destination. We are at Blue Moon Tap House here in Norfolk, Virginia. It's really nice. It's a bit crowded in here today because we have the Olympics going on and the game is on. So it's quite a bit of people, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But what I got was, for starters, we got wings, buffalo wings. And for my meal, I got the pork belly nachos and you got the classic cheeseburger. So when the food gets here, I'll be right back. So the food has arrived and I'm getting ready to dig in on these nachos, honey. So let me try this one right here. Oh, we got red onions in here too. Y'all can see. They did something. It's good, y'all.
Y'all have like sweet, spicy type of feel. It's more rocking back and forth, y'all. This table a little bit wobbly. How your burger?
Great.
Burger's good. It got blue cheese on the burger. And I'm finna try one of these boneless wings too. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. There's some really good ranch. A really good buffalo sauce too. I should have told them extra sauce though. It's good, y'all. Everything's good. We're gonna finish our food and I'll be back with my drink in here. Okay guys, so I just finished my food and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I got the pork belly nachos, but in my mind, I'm thinking that it's gonna be pulled pork. So once I realized that I was eating like a fatty substance, I was turned off. So I literally kind of peeked over the nachos. Luckily, we did get a starter of the boneless buffalo wings, because that kind of saved the day for me. I peeked over everything else on the nachos, because I was just turned off. But anyways, other than that, it's okay. And I got my drink, so the drink is delicious. The drink is the best thing I had. Cheers! Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy my drink and I'll be right back. Guys, so we're in here watching the Olympics. And we did not know there was a breakdancing Olympic, thing going on. So you can see it back there. We didn't, since when did they been doing that? Like I never knew. Did you ever see that before?
Like yesterday.
Have they been doing that though?
Yeah, they probably don't broadcast it. Last day of the month.
So they went to the end for that. Y'all, we did not know. Well, I didn't know. That's something else. Like what? How is that like a? I mean, I guess you do. It's cardio. But yeah, I just had to come on and say that because I did not know that. Like what? Cheers, y'all. My drink is halfway. It stopped raining, so I'm happy about that. Hopefully it stays this way because we still have to go back on the ferry back home. So hopefully the rain is gone away. But yeah guys, we are having a good time, enjoying our weekend. Like I said, I always encourage you guys to get out the house, grab your friends, your brother, your cousin, your sister, your mama, your loved one, whatever, and just go out and have a good time. Especially after a long work week, guys. Like, yeah, we deserve it. Cheers to that. I'll see y'all in a bit. Hi guys. So we are over here in Norfolk Waterside, and we met with Deb and Bill, Chef Deb, and Executive. So here they are. And they bought us some drinks, guys. They are so sweet and loving people. I'm just so thankful. Thank you so much. And we're gonna get to some catering stuff too, y'all. I don't know how the hell this is possible here. But yes, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So we are on the way home. We are on the ferry. Oh my gosh, guys. It feels absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I met some wonderful people. I was able to connect, and she actually bought us like 3 drinks. And just really had a conversation about things of substance. So time, guys. Live life to its fullest. So as you guys can see, we are on the way home. We are literally about to dock right over here. Lovely day, lovely day. This is what it's about. This is what life is about. Journeys and meeting and connecting and networking and loving on one another. So I will catch you guys on the next vlog.